This is the Sleep Doc litter, born February 3rd, and this is Norton. Norton has a full collar. And puppy on the left is Trixie, or in the back is Trixie. The only puppy is Trixie.
Sorry.
You'll join her. And the puppy that just joined them with the collar and the blaze is Ralph. Is that right? Yeah, that's Ralph.
Hey, Ralph.
And this is Norton. And this is Alice. Alice has a split face. Norton has the full collar with the narrow blaze. Trixie's dark. That's Norton tugging. This is Ralph. Trixie's on the tippy. Alice is eating my foot. Can't see her. That's Ralph tugging. Norton and Trixie.